Hello everyone, this is Pragya live from the 5th edition of Next Tech Human Capital Summit 2025, and currently I am joined in by Ms. Seema Nair from Flipkart. Hi Seema, how are you doing?
Hello, doing very well organized conference. Thank you.
Well, thank you. And how was your overall experience here? Like you just completed your presentation. How was it?
Yeah, so the organization has been extremely good. I think it's been a very rich focus in terms of the panel, the speakers. I was quite impressed seeing the lineup and would love to hear more from them myself.
Yeah. Okay. So my next question would be, since you are from the industry, do you think AI being a job creator or job disruptor?
Right. So I honestly believe that AI will add a lot more value. So let me just talk about the different kinds of value that it adds, right?
Right.
To start with, the businesses themselves, right? I mean, it allows for more speed, it allows for more accuracy, allows for more efficiency, helps you to save up on costs, which then you can transfer that value, right, back to your customers. Now let me talk about the next set, right? Which is for customers. Anything that saves costs for us is good for us, right? I mean, there's more competition, there's more on offer,
Right.
there's better, right? From that perspective. Also, imagine, right? I mean, anything that you're ordering, for example, I come from the e-commerce industry. Wouldn't you want it to come in time? Wouldn't you want to know where it is? Wouldn't you want it to be absolutely accurate? You don't want to size up, a size down, a color wrong, or
Mm-hmm.
something of that sort, right? And AI enables all of this to be done at high speed, high efficiency, right? And so on. Now, coming to jobs itself, right? I think there are jobs that will get transformed, and let me use the word transform versus the words that you're using, right? Because at the end of the day, I think each one of these jobs, right, can be done better. A recruiter's job, and I'll talk about jobs, let's say within HR, right? A recruiter's job doesn't actually go away, human job doesn't go away, but it enables you, right, in terms of being able to do resume passing much better, selections much better, speed up, the famous time to fill metric, and so on and so forth, right? So there are many such examples that can keep sharing.
Well, such great insights. And lastly, I really wanted to understand what's that one skill one should develop in order to stay relevant in the AI industry?
So thanks for asking that question. Great question. So I like to talk about what is called the AKSM model, right? In terms of proficiencies, those who are familiar with this already know this. But A stands for awareness, K stands for knowledge, S stands for skill, and M stands for mastery. And so if you think about it, right, the AI technologists, the data scientists, those are in the data analytics field and basically in the AI field, right? Obviously, you expect them to be most relevant in terms of skill mastery. They're the ones who are going to be leading the rest of the
Right.
organization, right? And I think for HR it's extremely important to identify, to hire, to make sure there's enough of that talent pool within your organization, right? But at the same time, A and K are extremely important for the masses. So for example, if I am in the domain of HR, right, I need to understand where are the applications, which are the first set of use cases I'm going to use to push, right? In fact, we are actually in that conversation right now for 2025, which is with our tech teams, right, deciding which AI use cases we're going to be focusing on first. Now, when I talk about A, right, for me that's important for all of Flipkart employees, right? And so the question is, how do I understand what it is? How do I embrace it? How do I prepare myself for it, right? And I think that's the minimum awareness that everybody needs to have.
Thank you so much for your insights. That was Seema, and stay tuned for more updates.